Some people may ask, why did I choose to start helping people with credit repair? Well, for one, I just like helping people. And one thing for sure, it's not because of the money, because I really make enough money where I won't have to do anything else other than just go to work every day. So at the end of the day, there have been times when I've had issues with my own credit, and I kind of just like put my head in the sand and just waited the 7 years until things got better. And those decisions cost me a lot of money. I'm trying to make it better for other people so that when they run into these issues, we can get them addressed so that you don't have to make the same mistakes that I made and have it cost you a lot of money. The knowledge is out there now for us to really challenge the things that are on your credit report, and we have to take advantage of that, because without that, many of us will just be wasting money. It's a good time. It's 2021. Information is out there for us to take advantage of, so don't delay, because if you want to make a change, not just in your credit but in your mindset, now is the time. While the information is there for us, and we have to take advantage of these things before they start closing the loopholes that they've been taking advantage of for years. So if you need some help, just reach out and we'll do our best to work for you so that you can have the best credit profile developed and you can join us in the 700 Club. Enjoy your day.